What's up guys, welcome back to Ginger TV. As you can see, I don't have a new camera. No, it's the iPhone 12 camera. I'm shooting this video with the iPhone 12 on regular settings. I'm just shooting at 4K 60 FPS, which is the highest setting you can shoot on the iPhone 12. And I've been testing it and the review is coming very soon. But yeah, today's video is a setup tour. So we're going to talk about the setup behind me, the different aspects of it, why is it unique to me, and why it might not be good to you. But to be honest, this can be good to anyone because it's very versatile. Without wasting any more time, let's talk about the setup. To start off, the desk is made out of hardwood. I custom made it myself during the summertime to have the perfect table for my setup. Other than the table being handmade, I also made the monitor riser and the headphone stand to stick with my hardwood theme setup. The two monitors I'm using are both from Asus. I have a 27-inch monitor that is my main monitor, and on the right of it I have a 24-inch monitor, giving me more than enough space for everyday tasks. They're both 1080p, so they're just good enough for me to watch videos, game, and study. Let's talk about the computer. The computer I have not changed a lot since the past year. It still has a Ryzen 1600 with a GTX 1070 and 32GB of RAM. Honestly, I know it's probably not the most up-to-date computer, but it does the job for me and allows me to edit very smoothly and game with my friends. My keyboard of choice is the DAS Keyboard Stealth, so this is by far the best keyboard that I've used and honestly the most solid keyboard I've ever seen. It is so well built and it's just unique. I find it like it doesn't have RGB, so it's not like super shiny and everything like that, but I love it. It has blue Sherry MX switches, so I'm more than happy with it. The mouse I'm using is the Razer Death Adder with RGB lighting. It's a solid all-round mouse that will let me game, study, watch videos, and also edit videos. The mouse and keyboard are on the VictSync extended mousepad that puts everything together. To hide the logo on the mousepad that I personally did not like, I have a wireless charger where I can put my phone on it, and it's also a stand. The headphones I'm using are still the same headphones that I've reviewed in the past, and they are the Logitech G432. Honestly, they are amazing, they are very comfortable, the microphone is good, and just go watch the full review and you'll see how much I love them. For voiceovers like this one, I have the Blue Snowball sitting on a boom arm. So the boom arm is very flexible, I can hide it, I can put it out when I'm doing the voiceovers. So it's nice to have and it's easy to set up on my desk. Your setup is not your setup if you don't have some personality on it. So to start off, I have the plastic IKEA plants that are a staple in the YouTube world on the setup. I also have Mr. Dwight K. Schrute from Dunder Mifflin, so it's The Office of course, and I have Mr. Stewart and Mr. Bob from Despicable Me that are Minions. So this is my setup. I make everything on it. I game, I study, I program, I do everything on it. And honestly, having this much surface have been ideal for me. So I can push the keyboard, put my notebook and start writing. Before I wasn't able to do this because the desk was just too narrow. But now thankfully with the new desk, I'm able to do it without a problem. It's continuously improving. So I'm changing stuff, I'm adding new stuff, I'm removing old stuff and just making it as personal and as functional as possible. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Go ahead and smash the like button and comment down below. Let me know what part of the setup did you enjoy most. My personal favorite is the table because it was handmade and I put a lot of effort on it. So I know what went through this table. Subscribe for more content like this. If you enjoy tech content, this is the channel to subscribe to. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.